How to hide Instagram DM chats without deleting them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to hide Instagram DMs without actually deleting them. So let's just jump right in. Open up Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do here is basically go ahead and tap on the profile, the message icon at the top right from your home screen. Then you need to select a chat that you want to hide. So let's say if I want to hide this chat here, but I don't want to delete it completely, then in that case, you need to go over to the chat, tap on a profile, and then from there, you want to tap on privacy and safety. Then you have an option on who can reach you. Right below that, you need to go ahead and restrict this person. What restricting does is it's going to limit the conversation you guys have between yourselves, and your posts and videos won't be recommended to them as well. They will be removed and hidden from your Instagram DMs as well. So I'll just tap on restrict, and you should be able to restrict the person and you're good to go. So I'll just do this for the other person here. Tap on it, and then from here you can tap on the three dots on option as well. Tap on restrict, and as you can see, I've restricted this person, and if I go back to my chat, the person is now gone. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.